Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to restart any Android without power button. So you have to just simply open the setting of the Android phone. So it's very simple. So when you open the setting, so there you have to scroll down and there is the option of additional settings and you have to scroll down for more and there is accessibility. So you have to click to the accessibility and you make sure accessibility menu turn on, make sure. So you have to turn it on and you have to go back on the home screen and there is the right below corner, this you have to click this icon and there is the you have to see power, so you have to click to the power and there is the restart button. Here is the option to restart mobile without using power button. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.